everyone. I wanted to jump on today to do a quick tutorial using the small DP pin. I really designed the small pin to be worn in a half up, half down type of style. So you kind of just want to section out, get a somewhat clean line. It doesn't have to be perfect. And section that out, smooth it out a little. So many people ask me which pin is for me. If you have a very small amount of hair, ultra fine, and you're trying to use it in a full bun, you can use the small pin. But if you've got really thick hair, the small pin is not going to be enough for you. So you want to take your section, do your little Cinnabon. I'm going to get a little close so you can see. You can pull out a little if you want a little height there. I'll fix that afterwards. Take your pin upside down, grab a small amount, touch the scalp with the point of the pin, anchor it, glide, and slide under. And there you go. Actually smooth this out and give a, and then pull this out. There you go. And you know something? You could always throw in another one if you have two. Get extra support and it looks cute. There you go. Quick half up, half down using two small pins.